All right, we got these amazing luxury barbecue accessories 4-piece set. So we've got the spatula right here. We've got the tongs right here. We've got the fork right here. And we've got the steam brush right here. And I'm very excited. Gonna be grilling up some of the Impossible Burger right here, some Impossible Burgers. But before I do that, I wanted to explain this brand new set I got really quick. So we've got the safest steam brush in that it has exclusive steel mesh that when you want to clean the grill, none of the particles or anything is going to come off like some of the other steam brushes. So that's amazing right here. Then you've got the fork right here, which can sort of serve as skewers for whatever you want to do, whether it's meat, veggies, whatever. And very sharp, very nice, high quality piece right here. Then you've got the tongs right here, which to use, you just push that in. They come out. As you can see, very big, very nice. I like the nice little wood. I like the wood on all the pieces right here. Nice little effect that just makes it look really nice. Very easy to use. Let's set this aside. I'm going to pull that. And you pull that out. Now we're good. Now we've got the spatula, which serves as spatula, grill knife. You come up here, you can see there's the serrated edge right there, but you've also got almost like a knife edge right here as well as at the front as well. You've got the bottle opener right here, serves as a bottle opener, very nice. You've also got the grill skewers auxiliary tool, the grill grate lift, and the meat tenderizer. And straight up, my favorite part about it is just, as you can see, it's got a little like, almost like a happy face to it. So you got any kids, or if you're just an amazing adult, smash that down. There's a smiley face. That's my favorite part about it. But luxury set right here, highly recommend.